We have here a beautiful Tesla Performance S85 series vehicle. Do a quick walk around of the car here. The trunks and doors and hood are in the open position because the vehicle does not have any keys. So right now, for the video purposes, I'm left them slightly opened. They will be closed, the windows will be taped. The vehicle does not have the 85 kilowatt battery, and it does not have the rear drive unit. Again, no battery, no motor. It's a great parts car, also a great car to rebuild, as the damage is relatively minor. So we got the damage constrained to this front right fender area here. And door. The rocker for the pillar, for the most part, looks to be okay. The control arm is probably also broken. Otherwise, do a quick walk around the body of the vehicle here. Very, very beautiful car. See if we get the hood open here. Seat airbags, side airbags did deploy. Front airbags are good. It does have the carbon fiber dash. And beautiful trim. Looks like it's a wireless charging dock here. This is the cover for the roof. Beautiful interior. It's a great parts car or to rebuild. Either will work. No battery, no motor. The calipers look to be professionally redone. Got the sport rims on here. Enjoy the vehicle.